Softwares, aren't they a big thing on Raspberry Pi? Yes, they really are. Many softwares that we may or may not use in our daily life is available on Raspberry Pi OS, such as a screenshot tool, a image viewer, calculator, VS Code, Docker, and many more tools are still available on the operating system, and you can really use them. They work well. If softwares are available, then what's the problem? The main problem is not the availability of software. It's the platform through which we install them, and do they really work? In this video, I'm going to show you every major possible way through which we can install a software. According to my experience, there are 5 major ways through which we can install a software. The first one is package manager. Debian has their own package manager which is called apt. We can install any packages that is available in their repository with this command sudo apt and the package name. As you know that Raspberry Pi is an ARM based device. At this time in 2026 there are 69,000 packages that are available on apt for ARM. apt has a wide compatibility. Almost 95% of the softwares that you install, they work, and they work pretty well. But there is a problem that apt is a package manager. It's not an app store. Means every package is not a software. Some are dependencies, extensions, plugins, add-on. So before installing any package, you have to check on the internet that it is actually a software, not any dependency. Moving on to the next one, we have Snap. It is created by Canonicals. Yeah, it is the same company that created Ubuntu, and it is pretty simple and straightforward. You just have to install the Snapd, and then you can either visit their website to discover the softwares, or you can just install their app store. Either you can install their apps using the app store, but I don't suggest it. You do using the commands using your terminal, and this is the best way, because in terminal you get to know that what things are installed, and if anything stucks, you know what to do. You can upload that same thing on ChatGPT and any AI and then get the solution. Listen, Snap is not the best way to install softwares on Raspberry Pi OS because it uses genome runtime, which is pretty heavy, and it consumes a lot of RAM, and there is a 80 to 85% chance that the software will run. It doesn't have a very high compatibility because it's a distro-wide app store. That means it covers so many distros. Next one is Pi Apps. By now it is the best option available for Raspberry Pi OS, and it was created by a college student botspot. Pi Apps have 300 plus softwares, and the best part is it has 98% compatibility. Means almost all the applications are going to run, and they behave pretty well. You can install Pi Apps by using their website, by following the commands and pasting it into the terminal, then hit enter, and the simplest way. And you can install applications just by clicking the install button in the software GUI. By far the best option. I recommend you to use it. And now comes the Flatpak, our 4th software downloading app store. It is not the best option you can choose because it bundles a half GB runtime with all the applications. That violates your storage. It consumes a lot of storage, and every software has their own runtime. That means they are run in an isolated sandbox environment. That means they consume a lot of RAM and CPU. And you know what? Raspberry Pi has a very limited amount of RAM and CPU. To counter the Flatpak, we have a different approach through which we can install softwares. Yeah, it's a little difficult, but you know, it works well. Listen, not every software is listed on an app store, or not every software is uploaded on apt. So some might be available, but they are just not reachable. You just have to go to their official page or their GitHub repository. In that you can find a Arch64 build such as a Debian or an app image.